Namaste. There was internet problem, so there I have to disconnect the session, and now we are starting again with our session of neck pain and cervical spondylosis, frozen shoulder disorders. So we have already started with simple shoulder movements, neck movements, shoulder movements. So the neck movement, we did up down movement, we did side twisting and then side bending. Then we did simple rotation of the neck from clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Then we have done shoulder movement, that is lifting shoulders up, down, inhale up, exhale down. Then we did shoulder rotation from front side up, from back side down, inhaling upward, backward, exhaling down. Then from backward up, front side down, पीछे से ऊपर, आगे से नीचे. फिर हमने किया दोनों हाथ कंधों के ऊपर रख के कोहनी पूरी एक दूसरे को लगा के ऊपर, फिर बाजू से नीचे. Inhaling, take the elbows in front, upward, then exhaling from sides down, and then opposite way, inhaling from sides up, exhaling from front side down, inhaling from backward up, exhaling from front side down. Then we did simple hand stretch movement, inhaling up, exhaling down. Then we have done sideways movement, inhaling up, exhaling down. Then we did front side chest opening, inhaling sideways, exhaling in front. Then we did side bending movement, opening of the chest from sides. And now we are doing again some shoulder and exercises for shoulders. So for that we are using now props. We are standing now. Come in standing pose. Now we are using this scarf. I have done knotting here. Very simple, gentle, normal knot. Now, very gently, smoothly, we are going to stretch. Keep your feet parallel. दोनों पैरों में अंतर. Now, inhaling, take your hands up. Full stretch up. How much it is going backward? Let it go back. If it is not going that much, how much you can take? The stretch according to your capacity. Exhaling down. सांस लेते हुए हाथ ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे. Inhale and up, exhale and down. Inhale and up, exhale and down. Now we are doing side bending. दोनों पैरों में ज्यादा अंतर थोड़ा सा ले लो. You can separate more than 2 feet. Now inhale, stretch your hands up. Now we are going to bend side, left side. So left side bending, you are keeping your belt or scarf stretched. Bend as much as you can. Take your right hip outside maximum. Inhale center. Exhale right. Take your left hip outside maximum. Inhale center. Exhale right. Sorry, left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center and relax. Take your hands down. Now this exercise again. Keep your legs again parallel. Stand comfortably. Now we are going to stretch hands up again. Now don't move your back or the hips, but slowly take your both the hands to the left side. With left hand we are stretching the right hand, we are pulling our right hand. So right elbow is going behind the head. राइट साइड की कोहनी सर के पीछे जा रही है, फिर धीरे धीरे कोहनी बेंड होगी और कोहनी बेंड करके जितना हम उसको नीचे खींच सकते हैं उतना खींचना है, अपने ताकत के हिसाब से, दर्द नहीं होना चाहिए. You should not get any pain anywhere. Stretch accordingly. Inhale center. Exhale stretch to right side according to your capacity. Right elbow, left elbow is going behind the head. Feel full side, full stretch in the left shoulder, left armpit. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. And then slowly take it down. Now very simple twisting, again with the help of this scarf or the belt. Take both the hands in front of the chest. Take a deep breath, exhale, turn to left side. फिर आपके लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट को जितना खींच सकते हो उतना खींचो. Full stretch. Inhale center. Exhale right. राइट साइड खींचते समय लेफ्ट एल्बो बेंड हो रहा है, लेफ्ट एल्बो बेंड होके जितना हाथ पीछे खींच रहा है राइट साइड से उसको खींचना है. Look back, turn back, twist back. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Don't turn your feet. पैरों को हिलाना नहीं है. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Do it according to your capacity. Inhale center and relax. अभी full rotation, and this is very strong exercise, very good exercise. Those who have frozen shoulder problem, they cannot do it, but those who don't have any frozen shoulder problem, they should do it to strengthen their shoulders, back, chest. अभी इसमें हमें स्कार्फ लेना है और उसको बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा करना है नॉट को. अब ये नॉट इतनी डिस्टेंस इतना ज्यादा करना है कि वो हाथ हमें ऐसा पूरा पीछे जाना चाहिए और पूरा पीछे से आगे आना चाहिए. सो दिस वे स्ट्रेच इट, ओपन इट मैक्सिमम. दोनों हाथों को एक साथ पीछे ले जाने के लिए कितना उनको फैलाना पड़ता है, कुछ लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा भी फैलाना पड़ता है. It depends, so you can open up that much also. Now inhaling, take the hand full up, then allow it to go back side. Inhale from back side up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down, back side. Inhaling from back side up, exhaling down. This is a very good exercise to strengthen your shoulders, and with practice you can reduce the distance. Slowly you can reduce that distance, make the knot closer and closer, and with keeping your hands parallel also, you can do it with full stretch. Now don't bend your elbow. कोहनी मोड़ के नहीं करना है, that is cheating. सांस लेते हुए ऊपर. Now take your hands completely back. Now we are going to bend forward. दोनों पैरों में अंतर लो. And now we are going to bend forward. You can see first me. Take your head and chest up. Now I'm bending forward with my taking my hands up. Try to hold it maximum and then very slowly take it down. Inhaling up. Look up. Exhale. Bend forward. You are allowing your hands to come up. You can hold there. And then very slowly take it in front. Inhale and up. Relax. Those who have shoulder pain, severe shoulder pain or frozen shoulder, they have to avoid this exercise. It is not recommended for them. जिनके भी कंधों में बहुत ज्यादा दर्द है उनके लिए ये करना नहीं है, because this is very strong exercise and strengthening that you should not have any further problem in your shoulder and neck. अब हम करने जा रहे हैं गोमुखासन. सॉरी, पहले हम करेंगे पश्चिम नमस्कार, उसका प्रिपरेशन. So very simple thing. First, just try to hold your elbows from back side. आपको कोहनी पीछे से पकड़नी है. अभी उसको जितना क्रॉस कर सकते हैं, क्रॉस योर हैंड्स, होल्ड योर एल्बोज टाइटली एंड ट्राई टू होल्ड इट मोर अप एंड अप एंड अप. गुड. अभी ये जितना कर सकते हैं कंफर्टेबली, वो जो लोग नहीं कर सकते वो लोग उतना यही करते रहेंगे. जो लोग कंफर्टेबली किया है वो अभी हाथ छोड़ दीजिए. अभी हाथ पीछे मिलाना है नमस्कार स्थिति में. पश्चिम नमस्कार में जाएंगे, हाथ नीचे मिलाना है और फिर उंगलियों को धीरे धीरे अंदर की तरफ से ऊपर लेना है. अंदर की तरफ से ऊपर लेना है. एंड नाउ टेक इट मोर अप एंड अप एंड अप. जिनका नमस्कार स्थिति नहीं हो रहा है, हाथ नहीं मिल रहा है, वो सिर्फ कोहनी को क्रॉस पकड़ के रखेंगे. और फिर जिनका हाथ जा रहा है ऊपर, वो जितना जा सकता है उतना जाने देना है. एंड ट्राई टू टेक इट इन बिटवीन योर शोल्डर्स, इन शोल्डर ब्लेड. मैक्सिमम हाउ मच यू कैन टेक इट अप. अगर हम सर पीछे करेंगे तो बाल को हाथ लगना चाहिए. So this is the ideal condition I am telling you. Don't force yourself for that. जितना हो रहा है उतना कीजिए. And now slowly release your hands. A very good compression in your wrist, in your palms. Very good twist in your shoulder. Very good chest opening. Now again very simple. Gomukhasan stretch from standing. Take your left hand up. Stretch it fully. Now bend your left elbow behind your head and take your left palm down completely in between the shoulder blade. Now take your right hand, right shoulder sideways, stretch it fully, turn the palm backward, side, downwards, take the hand downwards, then bend your elbow and try to hold it. Try to hold, catch your fingers and stretch. Keep your head straight, don't bend your neck forward. सर से हाथ को पीछे पुश करो. You can press your elbow with your head backward. And good opening in your left armpit. Good twisting in your right shoulder. अभी जो लोग ये नहीं कर सकते उनके लिए, जिनका हाथ नहीं जा रहा है, अभी जिनका हाथ बहुत कम जाता है, वो लोग ऊपर के उंगलियों में, ऊपर के हाथ के उंगलियों में बेल्ट पकड़ो और वही नीचे के हाथ में भी बेल्ट पकड़ के फिर उसको कितना ऊपर ऊपर ले सकते हो उतना अपने हिसाब से लेते जाओ. You can use belt or scarf for this holding. Now slowly release. Now take your right hand up, stretch up, bend your right elbow, take it behind the head, right palm, right fingers in between the shoulder blades. जितना जा रहा है उतना जाने दो. As much as you can take it, do it. Don't overstretch. Then stretch your left hand, left shoulder sideways. Take it back side downwards and then bend your elbow and try to catch your fingers. Now if it is not possible, again when you are bending your right hand, hold the belt in the upper hand and then the down hand, and try to take your hands closer to each other. That is also a good stretch you can get. This is Gomukhasana stretch. Now slowly release. Sitting pose बैठना है. Now we are sitting Marjarasana. Marjarasana. Very simple exercises again for your neck, shoulder, chest. This is a cat pose. Your back is parallel to the ground. Your wrists are exactly below your shoulders. आपकी कलाइयां कंधों के नीचे, आपके घुटने आपके हिप जॉइंट के नीचे. Now inhaling, take your head up, concave shape in the backbone. सर को ऊपर लेना है. पीठ में ये खड्डा होना जरूरी है. ये concave shape ये जरूरी है. Now take a deep breath. Exhale. Take your head in. Take your abdomen in and lift the backbone up. पीठ को जितना ऊपर उठा सकते हैं यहाँ उठाना जरूरी है. Inhale. Take your head up, back in. You are turning your buttocks upward, chest and shoulder upward, stretching neck upward, but the abdomen is hanging down. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Take your head in. Lift the backbone, center of the back up, abdomen in. Inhale up. Very gentle pressure on your wrists. Exhale down. Inhale up. Sit on the Vajrasana. Now sitting Shashankasana. बैठ के शशांकासन हमें करना है. वज्रासन में जो लोग बैठ सकते हैं बैठ के करेंगे. जिनको घुटने में तकलीफ है, दर्द है, वो कुर्सी पे भी बैठ के कर सकते हैं. दोनों हाथ पीछे इंटरलॉक करेंगे. जो लोग हाथ पीछे इंटरलॉक नहीं कर सकते हैं, अभी हमने देखा जैसे करना है वैसे वो पीछे से दोनों अंगूठे में बेल्ट या स्कार्फ पकड़ के रख सकते हैं. एंड देन लुक अप, लिफ्ट द चेस्ट अप. लंबी गहरी सांस लो. छाती भर के सांस छोड़ते हुए छाती को आगे खींचना है. डोंट turn your head down first. First fold from your abdomen, chest, and then you are lifting your hands maximum up. This is a rabbit pose. So your both the hands are upward like a rabbit, and the backbone is also back and thigh. The structure of the rest of the body is looking as a rabbit. खरगोश की तरह ये दिखता है, इसलिए उसको शशांकासन बोला है. Inhale and slowly take your head, chest up and hands down. बहुत आराम से धीरे से करना है. यही जो लोग बेल्ट लेके कर रहे हैं, कुर्सी पर बैठ के कर रहे हैं, वो भी इसी तरीके से आराम से करेंगे. Look up, lift the chest up. Take a deep breath. Exhale and bend forward. Inhale and up. Relax. दोनों पैर सामने सीधे. Now stretch your hands in front. Stretch your legs in front. A very gentle exercise again for the shoulder and chest and for the neck. That is Paryankasan. बेड की तरह हम पोज बनाते हैं. दोनों पैर आगे पूरे स्ट्रेच करो पहले, और फिर जहां पे आपके घुटने हैं वहां पे आपकी एड़ियां आएगी. Where are your knees? There take your heels, hold that much distance should be in your hips and in your heels. Now take your both the hands backward. Again, those who have severe shoulder pain or frozen shoulder problem, they can avoid this problem, avoid this exercise. जिनके कंधों में बहुत ज्यादा दर्द है और हाथ नहीं मुड़ रहा है, वो मत कर कीजिए ये एक्सरसाइज, वो छोड़ दीजिए. Inhale and lift your buttocks up, lift the chest up, hang your head down. गर्दन को पीछे लटकाना है. बेड की तरह ये स्थिति बन जाती है, पलंग की तरह बनती है, इसलिए उसको पर्यंकासन बोला है। लंबी गहरी सांस लो, सांस छोड़कर कमर नीचे। अभी ये हाथ के ऊपर जो वजन आ रहा है, अगर किसी को सहन नहीं हो रहा है तो ये एक्सरसाइज आप ये आसन अवॉइड कर सकते हो, मत करो ये आसन। धीरे धीरे जब ताकत आएगी बाकी सब एक्सरसाइज करके, तब आप ये आसन धीरे धीरे कर सकते हैं। या अभी भी जितना आराम से कमर को उठा सकते हैं उतना ही उठाइए, जितना उठा सकते हैं उतना ही उठाइए, कम उठेगा चलेगा। और फिर धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस से आप उसको ज्यादा ऊपर उठा सकते हैं। गर्दन को लटकाना है, ढीला छोड़ना है। रिलैक्स योर हेड एंड नेक and you are trying to lift your chest up, abdomen up maximum. Contract tight, tighten your buttock muscles. buttocks को टाइट करो, so you can you can remain in this pose stable. Take a deep breath, exhale and slowly come down. Now the same exercise, taking your fingers in front. दोनों हाथों की उंगलियों को आगे लेना है और फिर again observe this turning of fingers is not comfortable. If you are feeling pain in the shoulders, you can avoid and you can do it in this way also. Or some people may find this pose is more comfortable than the first. उंगलियों का आगे करना, पहले पीछे जब उंगलियां पीछे थी उससे भी कुछ लोगों को ये पोजीशन ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल रहेगी। Now slowly again inhale and lift your buttocks up, hang your head back. Paryankasan, bed pose. Take a deep breath, slowly take your buttocks down. Once more inhale up, very slowly, जितना होता है उतना ही करो. Exhale, down, relax your hands, come bring in the center, straighten the legs. Now very comfortable stretching I am going to show you. Now a very gentle stretch to your back. So when you're sitting, we are keeping the bolster. We are just, it is not completely pressing the back, but it is very gently, smoothly, little bit away from the back. There is gap in between your back and the bolster, and very slowly you have to lie down on the back, on the bolster. Now, if the neck is hanging, there is gap, there is arch here. So we are going to keep this blanket. Support the neck muscles. Now, you can see a very good neck relaxing and the chest is opening. The shoulders are automatically going down. The hands, keep your hands relaxed. A very good gentle stretch to the lumbar region. कमर में बहुत अच्छी सी एक स्मूथ खींच है. The back is stretching, but it is totally relaxed because of the support. And you can relax in this pose for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. जब आप काम कर रहे हैं उसके बीच में कभी आपको आराम करना है, खाने के बाद थोड़ी देर कभी लेटना है, तो भी आप इस तरीके से लेट सकते हो, क्योंकि इसमें आपका पेट नीचे है, छाती ऊपर है. And very good way, it is a good relaxation. Those who have chest congestion, asthma problem, they also can relax in this pose. When you want to get out from this pose, don't come up straight. सीधा नहीं उठना है, आपको राइट साइड धीरे से नीचे बोल्स्टर से हल्के से गिर जाना है. Then slowly you can take the bolster, you can move the bolster and blanket. और फिर इसी पोज में से आपको धीरे से उठना है, राइट साइड टर्न होके वैसे ही उठना है. डोंट कम अप स्ट्रेट. कभी भी whenever you have neck or lower back problem, don't come up from sleeping pose straight up, or don't go also in sleeping pose straight back. Always take support of one elbow, hand, turn to one side and then go in the pose. Now second one is a very good chest opening. Below the chest, छाती के नीचे आपको bolster को आधा रखना है. So now you have noticed at which level your chest is coming. So there we are keeping the bolster horizontally. First it was vertically, now it is horizontally, and again very slowly you can go backward. Slowly relax it. Again you can adjust the arch of your neck with support of the blanket. Now this arch we can adjust. If you want more stretch, you can come up on the bolster more. छाती और bolster के ऊपर आने दो. How much stretch in the neck? This is a very good neck traction. So how much neck traction you can bear? So that much only we have to take. गर्दन की खींच कितनी हमें ले सकते हैं उतनी ही लेनी है. वो अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. अगर आप नहीं ले सकते हो तो आप उसको और ज्यादा बढ़ा सकते हो और एक पिलो का सपोर्ट लेकर उसको सीधा भी आप कर सकते हो. यू कैन take the another pillow, come up more and lie down. इस तरीके से दोनों पोस्टर आप रख के, इसमें गर्दन बिल्कुल लटक नहीं रही है लेकिन बहुत नाइस स्ट्रेच टू द नेक एंड बैक. You can keep your chest open with hands, elbows relaxing in the sideways. This way we can do simple Bhramari pranayam also in this, deep breathing pranayam also in this pose. Again, when you want to come down from this pose, don't take your back straight up. You can slip down, bend your knees and go down. आप नीचे फिसलो, धीरे धीरे नीचे फिसलो and then turn to right side and then slowly come up. Now a very good and the best stretch for many health issues, multiple problems. If you have back pain, low back, neck pain, shoulder pain, if you have any abdominal problem or the chest problem, it is a very good exercise, very simple. We are keeping the bolster crossways. नीचे का bolster आधा है और ऊपर उसके ऊपर खड़ा रखा है. अभी उसके एक एंड पे आपको बैठना है. This is now happening as a seesaw. और seesaw के एक कोने पे आपको बैठना है. You have to keep your buttocks on one corner and then slowly lie down on the other. Now you are going to adjust. आपको ऊपर नीचे कितना होना है. So according to the stretch you are bearing, you can adjust. If you want less neck traction, your buttocks are downwards more. तो उसमें आपको कम neck traction मिलता है. If you want more neck traction and more abdominal opening, you have to slide yourself more upward. अजून वरती. It is a very good abdominal stretch. You can feel the very good upper back stretch and the neck stretch. Neck is hanging comfortably. Again, according to the comfort, you can place the blankets and keep the neck in more comfortable stretch. Again, both the shoulders are just hanging downwards, relaxed. Both the elbows are touching the ground. Both the elbows should touch the ground. Yes. Don't hang your elbows. Elbows should touch the ground. कोहनी जमीन पे लगा के रखिए. It is a very good stretch in your chest, in your abdomen, in your thighs, neck. So this stretch is solving multiple problems of your body. So कभी भी आपको कभी आराम करना है तो इस तरीके से आप आराम कर सकते हैं. जिनका मत्स्यासन, चक्रासन, बैक बेंड नहीं होता है उनको भी इसमें बहुत अच्छे से आराम मिलता है. पीठ के लिए बेस्ट स्ट्रेच. अभी इसमें से भी आपको ऐसे नहीं उठना है. द बेस्ट स्ट्रेच ऑफ द बैकबोन. Now don't come up straight. Again, you are going to bend your knees first. Slide down, Not like this. You have to slide down slowly. She is not patient. She is not behaving like a patient. And very gently, right side turn, and then slowly sitting pose. Those who cannot bear the neck stretch, those who cannot bear, they should avoid the neck hanging, and they can touch the shoulder completely down and then just give stretch to the rest of the back. Or if you cannot bear the neck stretching at all downwards, then avoid this. Now we are going in Shavasana. Lie down. This is the exact wrong pose of going in Shavasana for all patients. This is healthy people will go in this way. But for patients who come up, for all the lower back and neck pain and headache patients, vertigo problem, always you have to turn to right side. Slowly come in sitting pose. Slowly come in sitting pose. Now when you are going in the supine pose or when you want to lie down, first take support of your right elbow. Slowly go to one side, take support of the elbow, sleep on one side, and then slowly straighten your back. This is the correct way of going in Shayan Sthiti or supine pose. Now, to keep your back in comfortable pose, neck in comfortable pose, bend your knees and you can keep your bolster below your knees and thighs. Keep your legs in comfortable pose. यहाँ पे बहुत बार गर्दन में खड्डा होता है. There is arch in the below the neck. So always when you are sleeping, this type of towel, just fold it and keep it below this neck. गर्दन की जो आर्च है वहां पर आपको इस तरीके से ये तौलिया रखना है. In normal way also when you are sleeping, please take precaution that you will keep you don't use the pillow or especially the hard pillows and high up pillows. And when you are sleeping straight, avoid taking pillow, but just keep this roll of the towel below the neck. Especially those who have long neck, they have this problem. So they have to give the support to the neck with this kind of cloth. इस तरीके से गर्दन आपको ढीली छोड़नी है, कंधे ढीले छोड़ने हैं. Now relax your body totally. Relax your legs. Relax your toes. You can feel your knees, calf muscles, knees and thighs relaxing comfortably, relaxing maximum. There is no stretch at all in your lower back. The arch of lower back is also touching the ground, so the whole backbone is relaxed. The arch in the neck is maintained with the roll of the towel or any cloth or bedsheet. There is a good comfort and support to the neck with this kind of cloth. Total relaxation of your backbone. You can observe your both the hands are relaxed completely. Both the shoulders are relaxed. Observe your abdominal muscles relaxed completely. Very gentle, smooth movement in the abdomen. When you are inhaling, abdominal muscles are slowly bulging up. There is positive pressure in the abdomen. When we exhale, there is negative pressure in the abdomen and the muscles are going inside. हमें जबरदस्ती पेट को हिलाना नहीं है, ये अपने आप हो रहा है, उसका निरीक्षण करना है. This is happening naturally with our normal breathing. So don't do it purposely or forcefully. Just observe what is happening. Observe your chest. Relax totally. The whole rib cage is relaxed. You can feel there is no movement in your rib cage. All the ribs, the chest bone completely relaxed. Inside you can feel little positive pressure when you are inhaling. The pressure is releasing when you are exhaling. सांस लेते हुए हल्के से छाती के बीचों बीच आपको हल्का सा प्रेशर महसूस होता है. सांस छोड़ते समय लंग्स रिलैक्स महसूस होते हैं. फोकस ऑन योर नेक. All neck muscles are relaxed. Observe on your face, facial muscles are relaxed. Both the jaws are relaxed, upper jaw, lower jaw relaxed completely. दांत एक दूसरे के ऊपर लगे हुए हैं, लेकिन उसमें दबाव नहीं है. अंदर जीभ ढीली. The tongue is relaxed inside the mouth. Both cheek muscles are relaxed. गालों को ढीला छोड़ा है. Both the nostrils are relaxed. Eyebrows are relaxed. Eyebrows are relaxed, forehead muscles are relaxed. The complete facial muscles are relaxed. You can feel the stress, the tensions, the pains and the aches of the body has gone, and there are no tensions and aches and pains and worries in your mind also. शरीर जितना शांत ढीला हुआ है, मन उतना ही शांत ढीला हुआ है. Your mind, your thought process is also stopped, relaxed. Give a good smile to yourself. Observe this moment without any pain, without any tension, without any stress. Feel this moment and give a good affirmation. At present, I am very healthy, I am very strong, and I am very happy. I am very happy, I am very strong, I am very healthy. इस क्षण में ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, खुद को निरीक्षण कीजिए. ये झूठा दिलासा नहीं है. इस क्षण में आप फील कर रहे हो, आपको अनुभूति हो रही है, आप पूरी तरीके से स्वस्थ हो, आप खुश हो, आप निरोगी हो, आप पूरे सशक्त हो, शक्तिमान हो. इस क्षण का ये आनंद, ये खुशी, ये ताकत, उसे बरकरार रखना है. मेंटेनिंग दिस बैलेंस, हार्मनी. Slowly we are releasing the shavasana. Very smoothly move your toes and fingers. पैर की और हाथों की उंगलियां हिलाइए. धीरे से गर्दन को लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड आराम से हिलाइए. आराम से. Bend your knees and you can slowly remove the bolster and again very gently turn to right side. Sitting pose. आराम से बैठ जाइए. Whatever queries you have, whatever doubts you have, you can always go to our website and drop your messages, feedback, or queries in our website, in our center mail address, that is kshitishcenter@gmail.com. So we will answer you and looking forward that you will join to us in our month of May online session where we are giving you more knowledge in the detail about all the therapies we are handling, all the treatments we are handling, and many more options in the fitness and medical yoga. Keep your back straight, roll your shoulders back, close your eyes, focus on yourself, on your breath. Oh. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
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 Slowly open your eyes, interlock your fingers and stretch up for Vrukshasana. पर्वतासन. जितना जा रहा है, जिनका हाथ नहीं जा रहा है ऊपर, जितना हो रहा है उतना ही खींचो. Stretch according to your capacity. Take a deep breath. Release your hands. Exhale slowly, smoothly. Bend forward. Don't press too much. Very gently relax your head. Sharanagat Mudra. This is surrendering pose. Surrender ego. Surrender all the stiffness, stubbornness of the body and mind, the rigidity of body and mind. Surrender yourself in front of the God, in front of the Supreme Consciousness, the nature. Very slowly come up, inhale and come up. Now standing pose. Papa. Join your hands, toes, heels, knees. Join your hands. Raise your both the hands up. Join the palms. Focus on one point. नजर एक बिंदु पे स्थिर और धीरे से एड़ियां ऊपर. Slowly raise your heels up. Stretch up. Inhale and stretch up. Keep your knees, buttocks tight. Abdomen in, chest up. Activate your calf muscles, knees, thighs, back muscles, chest muscles, arm muscles. Take a deep breath. Slowly let your heels down, hands down. Varga Viram. Thank you very much. Please observe the sessions. Today we got the net problem, so it will be in two breaking sessions. So to complete the sessions, you can observe both the sessions and exercise it daily at home. Thank you very much.